Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can work with HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, HubSpot is a CRM service. It does have a lot of different other things as well, but it is primarily used as a CRM. CRMs are customer relations management systems, and you can very easily use it to manage your business, your deals, your contacts, your campaigns, etc., etc. This is what your dashboard looks like, and to the left, we have a couple of different panels. We have our workspaces, we have our CRM, marketing, content, commerce, automations, reporting, data management, and library. So for example, if you go into CRM, you can manage your contacts, your deals, and your tickets, which are basically your pipeline, and manage other companies you're working with. You can also go to the marketing tab and manage your campaigns if you are a premium user, emails, social, again, if you're a premium user, ads, events, forums, etc. You can also go to content and manage your web pages, landing pages, and your blog if you want to, and other things if you have the benefits with your subscription. Under commerce, you can make invoices, overview everything, make payments, or organize the payments and add payment links. Under automations, you can automate pretty much any process you can think of. Under reporting, you can see the analytics. Under data management, you can select integrations and integrate other services as well as a data model. And under library, you can schedule meetings, create templates, etc. So for example, the main thing you're going to want to do is go into your contacts and set up your contacts, because this is what's going to help you with everything else. You're going to need this information. Go to create a contact and create any contacts you might need. You can also import them from other CRMs. Additionally, you can go into deals and set up different deals that you are currently having or that you are going to have. As you can see, I have a test one set for November 30th. And under tickets, you can make a sales funnel and drag your deals around pretty much just to organize them in whatever stage of the process they are in. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.